Hello, everybody. Your boy Ray is back. How you guys doing? Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. It's Friday. We just got paid. It's Friday night. I'm just chilling, relaxing, and doing a little YouTube for you. Oh, today we want to talk about something that could make a difference. It's how to build and create your own bank for financial independence. You can use that when you're young. You can use this when you're older. I'm going to show you the formula that my wife and I follow. What is the problem? Okay. What is the problem? Hold on. I'm reading a little chit sheets over here. First, like, share, and subscribe. Like so you can enjoy this video. So you can take advantage of what we have to offer. Share for the rest could do the same thing, and subscribe so you can get some more. And this is this disclaimer: we are not financial experts. We are not financial gurus or anything related to it. We just use this to our benefit. This is what we do. We're just sharing our formula. Okay. First of all, what is the problem? You're behind in your credit card payments, car notes, mortgage, utilities, phone, etc. You're not behind now, but from time to time, everybody's behind in one payment. Oh God, it came out. I miscalculated. I needed some money for something, so it's gonna be 2 days late or something. They're gonna charge me X amount, and it's gonna ruin my credit. This is the solution for that. Okay, the bank will charge you a percentage for the loan. If you need a loan, or those $500 loans, $1,000 loans, they're gonna charge you interest for that, and very high, of course. They make a profit on your money, on your pain. Okay? How about if you didn't need the banks for a loan? How about if you didn't need to go for them for a loan? How about if you didn't have to pay interest for being late on your utilities, credit cards, car notes? That'd be nice, right? Wouldn't it? How about if you can get your money hassle-free? Look at that. Cool. Hassle-free. Hassle-free to the point where you don't have to fill up paperwork or go through all that crap just to get $50 extra, $100, 500, 1,000. It'd be nice, right? Well, I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you how my wife and I do it. First, we take a hit. Okay, first, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, it's not much to ask. It's not costing you anything. Okay? Let me change the page of the cheat sheet. See, as I get better, I'll be able to throw this out, but hey, I'm not. I'm a work in progress. Okay, like I said, we have our own personal bank. We created a bank of our own, a bank account that we created a bank account together when we got married, approximately 5 years ago. Close to it. So every month we determined we should put some money in it for the future, for our necessities, for our emergencies, or for the bank. So every month we put X amount of money in that bank account directly from our paychecks. The money comes to us, and then we Zelle it over to an account we have. It's a joint account we have. We Zelle the money over. We have an X amount of money we Zelle or pass on or deposit into that account every month. We do get together from time to time and analyze if we should put a little bit more or a little bit less. Okay. No, correction. We never put a little bit less. We put a little bit more. As we get paid more, we increase that amount. That's our own personal savings. Occasionally, we evaluate the account, and then we go back and increase the deposit. We call it a marital tax. We pay taxes on our marriage every month. You pay taxes and everything else. This one you get back. Whenever we're late for a bill, credit card payment, utilities, or even personal purchases, we consult the other, and once we agree on it, we transfer the amount needed to the one that needed it. For example, I needed $500 to bail something out all of a sudden. We talk about it, which we'll send it right over, $500 to my account. I have the $500 right there. It'll cover my payments, or it'll cover the purchase I'm going to do in the moment. Every month we keep depositing the amount we already spoke about, the amount we already had agreed on. Every month we keep depositing that amount as regular. That is religious. That is sacred. But the difference is now the amount that I borrow, let's say the $500 I borrow, we make an installment, and every month I put that extra in it too. I can put it all in one shot, or I can put it in 2 shots, or I can divide it into 2 or 3 shots, however seems more convenient. Because we still have to deposit that other amount. We still have bills to pay. So we're not going to kill each other. Of course, we don't deposit interest. If you do something like this with one of your kids, you want to charge them interest. If you do that with somebody else, you want to charge them interest. But you got to also be very careful who you do this with. We only do it together. We have been doing this for 5 years since we got married. We each have our own personal savings account. We own our own money and everything. But we do share our marital taxes in our own bank. At the end of the day, we deposit all. At the end of the day, we also deposit all our quarters in a little cup. Those quarters, that's the change they give us in the store. Those quarters we use for the laundry. And all the other change we deposit in a jug. That, when it gets full, we go to the bank, we cash it in the bank, turn it into $2, and then also deposit that amount into our marital taxes. That all goes in here, in our savings, in our personal savings. It's not much, but it helps a lot. It gives you relief. After a while, you do have a few bucks to bail you out. You need a purchase of a sudden of a moment, you don't have to go to any bank. We don't have to borrow any money from anybody like that. This is small purchases because we don't have a lot, you know. But it helps a lot because we can bounce. A car broke down, we need something all of a sudden. We do that back and forth, and everything works. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm sharing this with you. I know this is going to work for some of you. You can do this by yourself. You can do it alone. You don't have to do it with your wife, with your girlfriend, with your kids. You can do it just by yourself. Deposit the money so you can create your own bank. We each have our own personal banks other than this marital bank. We each have our own little savings, and that we use for our own personal things. But then if we need it together or something, we jump into this. Like, share, subscribe. Financial independence. You don't always reach it by a large sum. You're not gonna, but you can alleviate a little bit, you know. If you even have $1,000 in an account like this, it can help a lot. $1,000 is a 200 this, 50 that, 40 this, 50 that. That makes a big difference. So don't be shy and enjoy. If you know anybody that you think he can take advantage of this, share with them, subscribe, let them know. Ray loves you. Ray will always love you. Bye.